I was back and forth between a lot of majors actually, between different kinds of engineering. I always really wanted to be a meteorologist when I was a kid, and I think once I started to look into all of the different fields that you can go to when you're a geology major, it's so broad. There's so many different things you can do with that degree.
One of the best kept secrets in geology and environmental science are the quality and number of jobs that are out there. Many students that go into geology look forward to the ability to travel and do interesting things, and certainly geology is one of those professions that can take you all around the world.
We get to go out in the field and actually do things rather than sit in the classroom all the time. I get to work in the lab with soils and do all the testing in the lab too, breaking cylinders and putting sediments and stuff in the oven, sifting through them.
Students at the undergraduate level have access to research facilities like you see right here, where in this instrument behind me, that's an optical ICP, we can analyze water and soil compounds and to figure out what their constituents are, right down to the parts per billion range. Typically, this type of equipment is not available to student use until they're in graduate programs. We encourage our students to use these.
If you want to apply it to everyday life, I think one of the best things that I've learned is, if you're going to buy a home, or buy any kind of property or build on anything, that I have a really solid foundation of surface and subsurface things that a normal person might not know.
One of the recent developments for our department and for the community in general that I'm really excited to talk about is our agreement that we've reached with the Western Reserve Land Conservancy. And what we'll be doing with them is establishing an environmental geological research education resource area, which is going to be the site of one of the largest wetland restoration projects this side of the Mississippi. We've just got all the legal work done on it, and we'll be moving forward on that, and that'll be a great addition not only to the university but to the community around us to learn more on how wetland systems, wetland ecosystems operate.
We excel in what we do. It's great faculty. We learn a lot. I feel like we're so prepared when we leave here.
You do not do the same thing every day. You're always on a new project. You're not in the office every day. And you get to be out in the field and hands-on. I'm really thankful for my decision to come to YSU. I love the department. I love the STEM department. I think that they're very hands-on and they really want to see their students achieve.